Alright, Columbus Day. Got a day off finally, and let my wife borrow the truck yesterday. She took it to the mall and brought it back broken. I know what you're saying, Ford, blah blah blah. Yes. Shut up. P0302. Fault cylinder B. Misfire detected. That's cylinder 2. I'm thinking coil pack. Right, well, first step, disconnect the old battery. Disconnect the negative. You want to tuck it around so that it doesn't pop back onto the terminal. And my culprit is misfiring on cylinder 2. So I'll throw up the diagram here in case you're wondering. That's the passenger side, and it's the second one from the front of the vehicle. So second one back. We got one there. Looks like we got 2 right there. Okay. So neatly tucked under the, actually it's this one, the fuel rail. You should be able to take these coil packs out without popping your fuel rail off. When I changed all my spark plugs at 100,000 miles, I went ahead and popped that fuel rail because I was having problems with the back ones, just getting to them. But I'd say give it a try before you pop them. Alright, always love trying to do engine bay views. There's the bolt. Nice little 7mm. Just loosen it up. Oh no, I dropped my ratchet. Oh, I got it good. Snatch that bolt out. Ow. Oh, my back. Alright. And you should be able to get it out, and then we can disconnect the electrical after it's out. Alright, so there it is. There's a little tab there. You just got to release it. You might have to use a screwdriver. It's on the underside. Back here, you just push down on that, pull out. Alright, I just grabbed one from O'Reilly's. You can find them cheaper out there. This was like frickin' 29 bucks for one. I know, but I need this done now, and that was just a couple blocks down the street. Here's the new, here's the old. Now the instruction on this one does say they applied some dielectrical grease from the factory, but I barely even see any on there. I always go ahead and just put a little more, put a little dab in there. That's what I do. Alright, we'll just reverse the process here. Go ahead. Plug this guy in first. Makes it a little easier. Well, I don't know at this point actually. Probably not, but it does. Now we just need to feed down in the hole. Get in your hole. connector underneath that. Once you're in, go ahead and push down, make sure you're firmly seated over the spark plug. Line up your bolt hole, and we're going to snug that down. You only get these type of views from the real Cobra Burnout channel. There's a torque on this, pretty light. So if I can't find the specs for you, I'm just going to give it a nice little gentle snug. Torqued. Alright, reconnect the old battery. Alright, got her up to temperature. We're gonna, of course, road work. I'm gonna jump on the interstate here so I can give her a little throttle. Nice. No misfires, no check engine light, nothing. I dig it. So we have solved that issue. If I can do it, you can do it. Save you a buck, do it yourself. Boom.